Welcome back to another video on the Jim Archer channel. Today, hold on, I gotta do something. Hold on. Sorry about that. Sorry. Don't make fun. But these I like. Out of these, for whatever reason, they're tastier. They're colder even without them being in the freezer. I mean fridge. Help. I'm just watching this one video that I made it for a month ago. I had 7 views on it. It was Gmod Enduro. I can get why no one watched it, but I also can't get why I need one more subscriber away from getting being able to do a live stream. Sorry. But I mean, I'm trying, I'm thinking. Hold on. I'm gonna see if it's possible. Hold on. Go there, go here, go here. I am gonna be playing. I haven't made much videos about this. Install it, you for real. But I haven't been making much videos. I've been playing my Gmod server. I've been making videos on like that public server and my friend's server, but I haven't been making much. But I don't know what I'm gonna do. It is not 4th of July yet, so I'm gonna bring my fireworks bag in here. Then I'll bring it back. I'll exit it with it. I'll show you what I got at. I'll show you. It's a surprise. But with these rings I got, I just do that, and then they won't come off. So it'll stay on while this downloads to 83%, 85, 86, 87. But I'll be back. I will be back shortly. Alright. So I went to this place called sorry about that. But what I got at Boomland in Missouri, Sikeston, Missouri, I got these are for my nephew. I got neon colored sprinklers. I got 2 of those. These Roman candles that you hold it like this, and it does this. It shoots little ball things out, I think. And then we have like, I'm just gonna show you. I don't want to take one out. Then I have like 50 firecrackers. And then in this bag, we have like a spaceship thing. It is a color spaceship, 2 color. I don't know if I'm gonna light these off today. But Yeah. In the other video, I will probably make one in this video. I don't know. Me using a lot of other stuff, and everything that I got only cost a total of 43, 48. This was yesterday. So yeah, I'm gonna go put this back and